Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter mixed operations. The lessons we're going to cover today are multiplication and division facts up to 12 true or false, multiplication and division sentences up to 12 true or false, add, subtract, multiply, and divide, addition and subtraction word problems. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 3 math. The chapter we're on right now is mixed operations. Let's just start with the lesson that is multiplication and division facts up to 12. Is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 equals 1, that is false. Let's just start with the test questions. Is the number sentence true or false? 3 times 5 equals 15. Is it true or false? True it is, because 3 times 5 makes 15, so that is true. Is the number sentence true or false? 3 times 3 equals 9. True, it is 3 times 3 equals 9. Yes, that is true. Option number 2 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 2 times 7 equals 16. False, it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 5 times 8 equals 43. False, it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Is the number sentence true or false? 5 times 5 equals 30. False, it is. 5 times 5 is 30. That is false. Is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 6 equals 1. False, it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 4 times 8 equals 24. False, it is. 4 times 8 is 32, right? Is the number sentence true or false? 5 times 5 equals 25. True, it is. 5 times 5 is 25. Is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 7 equals 7. True, it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 5 times 10 equals 60. False, it is. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiplication and division sentences up to 12. True or false? Is the number sentence true or false? 3 times 9 equal 5 times 4. So let's just solve both sides. So let's just solve both sides. 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27. And 5 times 4, that is 20. So they are not equal. False it is. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 6 equals 6. And 3 times 2 equals 6. So both sides are exactly equal. That means true it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 3 times 9 is 27. 5 times 4 is 20. False it is. 27 is not equal to 20. So false it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 8 times 2 and 3 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16 and 3 times 2 is 6. So they are not equal. So again, false it is. The correct option is false. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 2 times 6 equals 3 times 4. 2 times 6 is 12 and 3 times 4 is 12. So both sides are exactly equal. So true it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 1 times 6 equals 2 times 3. Is it true or false? 1 times 6 is 6 and 2 times 3 is 6. That is true. Option number 2 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 2 times 10 is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. True it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 2 times 9 is 18 and 3 times 6 is 18. Both sides are exactly equal. So true it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. False it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 3 times 3 is 9 and 1 times 1 is 1. So that is false. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? False it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next lesson is add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Let's just start with the test question. 541 take away 441. So you have to subtract 541 minus 441. One take away 1 is 0, 4 take away 4 is 0, and 5 take away 4 is 1. So that is 100. Option number 2 is the correct option. 568 divided by 8. So let's just divide. That is a long division. So You need to count a table of 8 until 78. 8 times 7 is 56. You need to bring 8 down. You can go for 8 times 1 is 8. So that is 71. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. 71 it is. Add 56 plus 239, which is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. That is 295. 505 plus 110. That is 615. Option number 2 is the correct option. $341 times 2. 341 times 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 3. That is 682. Option number 2 is the correct option. 23 plus 144. That is 167. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. 450 minus 350. That is 96. Option number two is the correct option. Eighty-seven plus 225. That is 315. Option number. Yes, 312. Sorry. Option number two is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is addition and subtraction word problems. Let's just start with the test questions. Hugo is a school janitor. Last week, he picked 292 pieces of trash in the classrooms and 7 pieces of trash around the campus. How many pieces of trash Hugo pick up? So you need to add. Randy has a chest of coins. There are 281 gold coins and 18 silver coins. How many coins are in the chest? So which is the correct option? That is 299 coins. Option number one is the correct option. To fill an order, the factory dyed 540 yards of silk yellow and 1 yard white. How many yards of silk did it dye for that order? That is option number four, 544. It is very good. Sweetie Pie Baking Company had 468 eggs. The employee used 4 eggs to make cookies. How many eggs are left? That is 464. You have to subtract. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. The Greenpoint Middle School cafeteria goes through a lot of peanut butter. Currently, they have 995 ounces of regular peanut butter in stock. They also have 4 ounces of crunchy peanut butter. How many ounces do they have in total? Nine 95 and plus 4 equals 999. Option number 2 is the correct option. Clara just started working at a French restaurant. Last week, she polished 813 small glasses and 14 large glasses. How many glasses did she polish? That is 813 plus 14 equals 827. Option number 1 is the correct option. The Lakewood Bakery had 396 bags of sugar. Then an employee used 5 bags of sugar to make some cookies. How much sugar is left? That is 391. So, okay, time is also finished. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So, we were working on grade 3 math. The chapter we are working on is mixed operations. The lessons we have covered today are multiplication and division facts up to 12 true or false, multiplication and division sentences up to 12 true or false, add, subtract, multiply, and divide, addition and subtraction, word problems. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the questions in the chat box. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.